11th question. The distance S an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds. Time is t seconds. Is given by St. Given St equal to half gt square plus at plus b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, a and b are constants. Check if the function st is 1, 1. One condition is given. Condition is st equal to half of gt square plus at plus b. Here in this condition, a and b are real numbers. T is the time. Here t represent time. Our question, check the function st is 1, 1. 1, 1. What's the condition of 1, 1? 1, 1 means different elements have and different images. Here let the time be take 1, 2, 3, etc. Let the time be 1, 2, 3, etc. First find S1, T1, S1, S1, then replace T, there write the value 1, half G1 square plus A into 1 plus B equal to half G, 1 square value 1, 1 into half G plus A into 1 A plus B. This is the value of S1. Then find S2, time 2, first time take 1 then 2, S2 equal to, here same equations, replace T, there write 2, half G T square, 2 square plus A into 2 plus B equal to half G, 2 square ka value 4 plus 2A plus B. Then here multiplication, 2 and 4 are cancelled, 1, 2 is to 2, 2s are 4. After simplification, the first term get 2G plus 2A plus B. Then S equal to 3. Here first T equal to 1, here T equal to when T equal to 2, here T equal to 1. Then put T equal to 3, S3 equal to half G T square, 3 square plus A into 3 plus B equal to half G, 3 square value 9 plus 3A into 3, 3A plus B equal to, after simplification, multiply the numerator, 1 into 9, 9 by 2G plus 3A plus B. Check the equations. The first equation is half GA plus B. The second equation is 2G plus 2A plus B. The third equation is 9 by 2G plus 3A plus B. Here different values of T will be get different distance. Different values of T will be get different distance. So the given function is 1, 1 for etc. Answer for different values of T. For different values of T, there will be a distance. There will be a distance. There will be a, not distance, there will be a difference distance. There will be a difference distance. but times different, distance also different. Then one condition definition, different elements have different images. Therefore it is one function. 12th question. Question number 12. The function T, which maps temperature in Celsius within bracket C into temperature in Fahrenheit within bracket F, is defined by Tc equal to F. The function T given Tc equal to F. Here C represents Celsius, F represents Fahrenheit. T is the function. The function F maps temperature in Celsius and temperature in Fahrenheit. Tc equal to F. One more value was also given where F equal, this is the one formula, 9/5 C plus 32. Our question, find first T0. First part T0. T0 means the value of C is 0. Here take C equal to 0. Our condition question Tc equal to F. T0 equal to F. F equal to F value, right? 9/5. Here write the formula, F formula. 9/5 C plus 32 equal to 9/5. The value here, the value of C is 0. But here also write 0 plus 32. This term complete 0 equal to 0 plus 32 equal to 32 degree. 32 degree Fahrenheit. Our question, temperature change into Fahrenheit. The answer 32 degree Fahrenheit. 0 degree Celsius, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Then second part T28. This means C equal to 28. C equal to 28. Then write the formula Tc equal to F. C के value 28. The value of C is 28 equal to F. Replace F there, write formula 9/5 C plus 32. Then substitute the value equal to 9/5 into C 28. 28 plus 32 equal to, here multiply and divide. First term multiply and divide. 9 into 28 divided by 5. 28 into 9. 9 8s are 72, 7. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7. 25. By 5. Here 252 by 5 plus 32. 252 by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 2. Here 0. Put 4. 0. 20. Here 252 by 5 value 50.4 plus 32. Then add 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. T28 equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Then third part T of minus 10. Third one T of minus 10. That means value of C is minus 10. Again write the formula Tc equal to F. Here T of minus 10 equal to 9/5. C here substitute C value minus 10 plus 32. Cancel, 1 5 is 5 here, minus 2. Plus into minus, minus 9 2s are 18 plus 32 equal to minus 18 plus 32 equal to 14. 14 degree Fahrenheit, T of minus 10. Then next, fourth part. Fourth part, the value of C when Tc equal to 212. Tc equal to 212, value is given. Tc equal to 212. Formula Tc equal to formula F. Tc equal to F equal to 212. Tc equal to 212. Here apply the formula. Formula Tc equal to F. 212. Again apply the F formula. F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32 equal to 212. Then 9 by 5 C equal to 212. This plus 32 come this side minus 32. 9 by 5 C equal to 212 minus 32. 0 9 18 108. Then C equal to 180. These fractions come this side, take the reciprocal, equal to 5 by 9. Cancel, 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 0. C equal to 20 into 5, C equal to 100. Our question, find the value of C when Tc equal to 212. Then means find the value of C. The value of C is 100 degree Celsius. The value of C is here not write Fahrenheit, C 100 degree Celsius. Then fourth part over, fifth part. Fifth one, the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to Fahrenheit value. Celsius value and Fahrenheit value is equal. Find the temperature. Which temperature the both values are equal? Find out. Here, let the value of C be X. First we take, let the value of C be X. Then formula Tc equal to F. Tc equal to F. Here C value X. X equal to F. 9 by 5 into X plus 32. Here 9 by 5C plus 32 formula X equal to 9 by 5 C के value X plus 32. Then X, this 9 by 5 X come this side, minus 9 by 5 X equal to 32. Then this side take the LCM, 5 into X, 5X minus 9X equal to 32. Minus 5 different sign, subtract and put the big number sign, 4X by 5 equal to 32. Then X equal to 32 into take the reciprocal of this, 5 by minus 4, cancel 8. X equal to 8 plus divided by minus 5 equal to minus 40. The temperature and the Celsius value and Fahrenheit values are minus 40 here. Answer taken right, the temperature the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. Fahrenheit value is minus 40 degree. Minus 40 degree, both values are equal. Then 12th question over. Exercise 1.4 also finished.